Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can freeze a frame video in CapCut PC. So just select your video to edit and just select frames on a video you want to freeze. So just click this freeze icon, click, and you can also just for the scale and add another frame and click freeze again. So just for the scale. So here we go. It's very basic, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.